Yeah, good day to all my viewers, to all my listeners, to all my subscribers. I really want to appreciate you. I really want to say thank you for all you've been doing. It's so nice seeing what you're doing. I really want to appreciate you. I really want to appreciate you. So I dropped a video earlier, and it was a video about the moving averages on my main chart. And if you look at the screen, I just took a buy position. I took a buy position. Look at the screen now. You see, I just took two positions, awaiting to cash some spike. But before I proceed, um, I want you to go to the subscribe button on your mobile device on your system. You click the subscribe so you can subscribe to my channel. In case I drop any video, any new video, you'll be the first to be notified, and you can follow me. Just follow me on YouTube. I have a Telegram channel where I give signals. I give 7 profitable signals, signals that will make you good money for the day. You can make 100, 200, $300, depend on your lot size, depend on how much you're involved in the trade. So I want you to understand this. Please don't trade with the trend. Only when you do that is when the trend is selling, and the only way you can take that position is when you see a movement in this format. The only way you can sell boom 1000 is when you see a movement in this format where all the moving averages are moving downward. You can sell 10 to 15 candles. Please, when the moving averages are pointing downward, you can sell 10 to 15 candles. But whenever the moving averages are facing this direction, like you are seeing it now, my brothers, my sisters, whenever the moving average is facing this upward direction, please don't sell any candle. Don't sell don't sell whenever it's facing this direction. Please don't sell. Don't sell. You can only sell when they are facing downward and the trend is smooth. That is the only time you can sell. Let me go to a better position so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. I need a smooth trend. It is not all the time. You don't just jump in that I want to trade and jump, start blowing your accounts in the name of I'm making funds or I want to make money. This is one good position now. When you see the trend in this format, please, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 10 to 15 candles. When the moving averages are on this direction, crawling downward on top of the trend, crawling downward, you can take 10 to 15 positions. Okay, you can take 10 to 15 positions. But if it's in this format, my friend, my listeners, my viewers, if you see the moving average in this format facing this direction, pointing upward, in this format, meeting at a point, then pointing on upward, know it's a bullish trend. It's a bullish movement and a bullish trend. So you have to watch out for it so that you don't get hit by a spike. Now, this is what we are talking about. Look at what I'm doing now. I just took some positions now. Now, what I want to show to you guys is this. Okay, this is what I want to show to you guys. This is the point. Look at the moving average on top of my trend line on top of the moving average. Can you see? When he got here, when the moving average got here, there was a spike, came on top of the price again, and the spike came up. It went round and came back and touched the moving averages again and went up again, came back. The same thing here, did the same. Now it's coming down. So I'm expecting a reversal or a rejection either on this black moving average, this blue, or this green. As far it is on my support and resistance zone, see, it resisted here and supported this movement up. It resisted these candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. It resisted them not to go further. Now get to the fifth one. This is 1, 2, three, four, five, getting to the sixth one, it assisted it and pushed the candle upward. You see the movement. This is our support and resistance. Now it's going to come down. Let's see if it's going to resist it. It's already touching the moving average, but this is not what I want to show to you. I just placed this um, market here. I just placed the buy here so that in case I receive any spike, at least I will be able to benefit while making this video. Now let's go down. Look at the trend line I drew. Look at it. What happened here? Look at it. What happened here? If you backtest a little, this was something early this morning, very early in the morning, around 4 5. Let's go and check the time. Look at it. This is around okay, it was even last night. This happened. Okay, now see what I'm trying to point to you. Look at it. That same trend line I drew, look at it. It also played a role here. It played a huge role here. It shows that the trend is going to go into a strong bullish movement. With this is a signal. This is a signal that the trend is going to go all the way. This is one big signal. So I want you to have this at the back of your mind that whenever you are drawing your trend line, try to use this. When you add a ray, left and right ray, which is this. This is your left and your right ray. You add left and right ray to get the direction in case the market move in an upward direction, you'll be able to make something out of the trend. You'll be able to make something good out of the trend. So let's go back a little. Okay, let's go back a little. Okay, let's go back a little and observe the market. Now this is what I want to point to you. Okay, this is what I want to point to you. Now look at my trend. Look at it. Look at this okay, look at this movement now. I want to do something so that you can understand me clearly. Now this is another trend now, a back test now. This is another trend. See the movement. Just see the movement. It came here. Okay. See the movement. See the movement. Okay. Okay. This guy's just nice. Okay. Look at it. Look at what happened in this part now. Look at this. When touching the moving average and the trend in this format, you see the spike continuously. Look at it. Look at another one here. Okay, look at it. And see here. Testing, retouching that trend line. The spike continues until the thing broke. It broke the line and took a short sell, and continued. Because it's on a bullish trend, you see, it continued and started going back and forth, because this is now a ranging movement. This is a ranging movement. It's a ranging movement, no direction, just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So continue either a bullish movement or a bearish movement. Now it took a little bearish movement downward again with spikes along the line, took it downward. Look at the moving average, the crossing. When you see a crossing like this from the top, when all the moving averages are together from the top, you can catch 1 2 3 4 5, at least 10 to 15 candles. Then immediately they spread, immediately the moving average separates from each other like this. No, it's going to change, the movement is going to change, and the trend is going to change. So you can exit your trade immediately you see a movement in this format. You exit your trade immediately. Okay, so let's proceed further. Okay, let me go back a little. Let me go back and do a little back test so you can understand where I'm heading to. Now look at, let's take this one again. This is another clear one. Look at the movement of the moving average. Look at it. Look at how it moved in this direction. As far the moving average is The moving average is moving in this direction. Let's bring it this way. Look at it. See what happened here. See what happened here. Look at the torsion. Okay, let me make it this way. Okay, look at the torsion. Look at the torsion. How many? Okay, we just hit a profit. We just hit profit now. Let's go back. A little rejection. There is a little rejection right there. Right there, there's a little rejection. You see what I'm talking about, what I'm saying about the moving average. There's a little rejection. I just made a little profit of $2. There's a little rejection here, right here. You see, the black moving average reacted on this spot, so there's a little rejection. If I go down to the 1 minute time frame, if I go back to the 1 minute time frame, you understand what I'm trying to say. Here, there's a little rejection on the 1 minute time frame. Look at it. There's a little rejection there. There is a little rejection. So this is how to use this strategy, and it works. It has been working, even though derive or MetaTrader they upgrade, because sometimes when you drop a strategy after 2 3 weeks the thing will stop working, but this one has not stopped working for a very long time. It has been working. It has been giving me results, positive and massive results. The result has been so massive, has been so positive. So I want you to take advantage of this opportunity to make wealth, to make money. You are making the money for yourself, you are not making it for me. But I have a signal group with a little token. You can come, you can join. If you don't understand what I'm doing, you can come, just stay back, cash, take my signals, cash the trend, make your money, and you are good to go. You make 10, 15, $20, $100, as the case may be, per day, and you are you are done for the day. Okay, so I want to encourage you. I dropped the I dropped um the moving averages, the period and whatever, the settings for them for my main chart. I dropped it earlier today, so you can go back to my previous video and see for yourself. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe so that you'll be the first to get um, new upload. Just click the notification, turn on the notification button on your system, so you'll be the first to get any new video I drop. Okay, so you can call my WhatsApp. Call me on WhatsApp 081 1388. Anytime, any day you need anything, any information, any updates, whatever settings you need, just call me. Any video you don't understand, whatever strategy you don't understand, you can call me so that I will enlighten you. And if you also want to join the group, join my Telegram group where I drop signals. It's just with a little token. You join with a little token. I don't want to mention the amount here. Maybe when you come chat me on WhatsApp, I'll be there to give you the price. But if it's not okay by you, fine. I know how much I lost. I know how much I saw, how much I suffered before getting to this level. But I bet you will not regret joining, or you will not regret knowing me. Um, I'm, I'm, I call myself the boom and crash expert. Now, if you go to my WhatsApp, you see it on my DP, boom and crash expert. I have been studying boom and crash for a very long time now, and I have developed myself to a point where I now know what to do on the trend, especially the boom and crash trend. So see you guys in my next video. I really love what you guys are doing. I want to say a big thank you to you all, and don't forget to share this video, share with your friends and your loved ones, like the video, give a decent comment, and once again, remember to always trade against the trend. Don't trade with the trend. The only time or place you can trade with the trend is when you see a movement in this format. When you see a movement where the moving averages are meeting, when they are meeting in this format, you can flow with the trend. Take 10, 15 candles and you are good to go. But whenever it is in this format, please don't, don't, don't. Okay, so it's still spiking. Look at it, it's still going up, it's still going up. Wow, wow, the buying has not, it has not stopped. It is still going on. It just my profit just increased now. My profit just increased. So I want to encourage you guys. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for all what you're doing, for following me back to back, for watching my videos, for being a fan. I love you all, and I will never stop giving you profitable videos and strategies. It's so nice to have you once again. God bless you. You have a nice day. Bye bye.